everyone. My name's Tom, and I am with my co-host, Lois. Welcome to Say It Right, the podcast where we fix those tricky English pronunciations that everyone gets wrong. Yes, even you.
And honestly, even us sometimes. English is weird. Like, why is read pronounced differently depending on time, but spelled the same? Who decided that?
Exactly. So in this series, we're breaking down commonly mispronounced words in a super simple way. No boring grammar lectures, just practical tips you'll actually remember.
And by the end of this episode, you're going to sound more natural, more confident, and maybe, just maybe, impress someone.
So here's the format. We'll take a word, show how people usually say it wrong, then give you the correct pronunciation, and most importantly, a simple logic to remember it.
Because memorizing is boring, understanding is powerful.
Let's start with the classic one, jewelry. Most people say jewelry. Correct pronunciation, jewelry.
Jewelry, just two smooth parts, not three.
Here's the logic. English often drops weak middle sounds when words are spoken quickly. The E in jewel kind of disappears and the word compresses.
So instead of forcing every letter, focus on natural flow over spelling.
Exactly. English pronunciation is about sound, not spelling.
And common mispronounced words. Comfortable. This one hurts me. People say comfortable. Correct, comfortable or comfortable.
You basically eat a syllable. English loves shortcuts. All right, next word, vegetable. And again, this is one people tend to overpronounce as veg-e-table.
But in natural speech, it becomes vegetable. See what happened there? That middle syllable just disappears.
So the trick here is simple. Don't fight the word. Let it flow.
Now, this one is everyone's nightmare. Wednesday. Go on, say it the wrong way.
When is day?
And the real pronunciation? Wednesday. Clean, quick.
That D in the middle, just disappears. No logic, no warning, it's just gone.
Let's talk about library. This one is very commonly mispronounced as library.
But the correct version is library. You've got to keep that R sound alive. Exactly. Don't erase letters completely, just soften them.
Next, clothes. People often say clothes, separating it too much.
But in reality, it's more like close or close, almost like the word close.
Super quick, super smooth, no extra effort.
Now here's a classic silent letter example, receipt.
A lot of people pronounce the P, receipt, but that's incorrect.
The correct pronunciation is receipt. That P is completely silent.
Invisible, like it was never there. Same story with debt. People say debt.
But it's just debt, clean and simple.
English really loves hiding letters where you least expect them.
Next word, island. A lot of people pronounce the S, island.
But the correct way is island.
Again, that S is silent.
Completely gone, vanished into thin air. Now let's talk about food. Salmon. People often say salmon.
But the correct pronunciation is salmon, no L sound at all.
It's amazing how many letters just don't matter in English pronunciation.
And finally, almond. A lot of people say almond.
But the correct pronunciation is almond or almond.
And yes, once again, the L is silent.
At this point, I feel like we should just stop trusting the letter L altogether.
Let's pause for a second. Are you noticing a pattern?
Yes, English loves silent letters, dropping syllables, faster, smoother sounds.
Exactly. If you try to pronounce every letter, you'll sound unnatural.
And let's be real, pronunciation affects confidence.
You might know perfect English, but if pronunciation feels off, people may misunderstand or judge unfairly.
And we don't want that. You deserve to sound as smart as you are.
Let's simplify everything into 3 rules. Don't trust spelling, listen more than you read, practice speaking out loud.
And bonus tip, imitate native speakers, movies, podcasts, YouTube.
All right, Tom, be honest. What word did you mess up for years? Haha, entrepreneur. I avoided saying it completely.
Same. I used to say business person just to stay safe.
All right, That's part one of Say It Right. We covered some of the most commonly mispronounced words and the logic behind them.
In part 2, we'll go deeper, tricky sounds, accent tips, and words that even fluent speakers struggle with.
Until then, keep practicing.
And keep sounding better every day.